This is quite a little nifty product, and they do have a dog on it because, of course, it's to find pet urine stains all over your house or even outside. This is an UV light, and just like on TV, where the CSI is going up and down and seeing all these stains. Not only great for pet for urine spots, but also bed bugs, all sorts of different stains. It's super cool. 51 LEDs. So it's a large beam, and you can see it right there. It uses AA batteries that you can put right in the back here. I'm not going to open it, and it's a really nice blue light. Of course, here right now it's not going to do much because there's too much light, but you're going to see as I'm showing you right now what we've been finding on the grout on our tiles. You'll see that we have a French bulldog that sometimes has little accidents, and you can actually see where we need to kind of like mop a little harder, add a little bit more product to clean between the tiles a little bit more. But from Vansky, this thing is awesome, and not just for stains made by your pet, but all sorts of different stains that you didn't even know existed.